Hey guys, Jason here again. So this time I thought I'd do a quick wee upload on how I do dimple days. I basically use my hydraulic knockout tool, and then I've got a couple of dies that I made. So I've got the MX5 here with the engine out, and I am currently wasting time by making these pans to go on here. And I'm going to put a couple of dimples in them just to make it look kind of cool. This is a complete waste of time, but we'll get it done anyway. I'll show you how I do it. So I'm in the shed at the bench here. I've got this marked up. All I did was got it halfway across and then measured. Well, you don't need no measurements anyway. So I'm just going to put them together now. I'm going to drill the two holes together and through both plates, and then we'll start with our dimpling action. So I bought myself one of these hydraulic knockout tools quite a while ago. Basically it's a very fancy Vevor one. So pretty much you can get your hole cut out, and then so you drill a 20mm hole, and the thing you want to do the dimpling on, you pop your dimple on, pop that on, give her a few pumps. We can set you up for this. Yep, there you go. Right, so get a few pumps there. You got your nice round hole. So I'm gonna do that now 3 times, and then I'll show you how to do my dimples. So I now have my 4 holes cut out, and I've got them marked where the top is and where the front is. I have these dies that I've made out of things in the lathe. They're not great, but they do the job. My main issue with this here design is I really should make ones that are suitable for the holes that you get here, because at the minute I kind of have to centralize it like this and then put this on, and then try and hopefully get it in the right place the first time, because if you don't, you have a dimple that is kind of wonky. But we'll see how we get on here. There you go. Not perfect, but it definitely is a dimple. We'll do another one here. Get a better camera angle for you. Right, so pretty central as I think you can get it. Pop your top on. Wash your top nut. There you go. That's how I do it. I am going to make better ones or buy better ones, but this thing here is brilliant for it. Before I was like putting it in the vise or trying to put it in the press, and it was always messed up. But this here does it pretty consistently. Do one more. Oh, I might as well just do them all. I have a feeling this one wandered, so you might get an idea of what it looks like when you get it wrong. Not bad. So there we go. Let's bring up the car, see what it looks like. Actually, before we do that, you can see, so that's just a bit of pipe or whatever it was, and that's welded in so it centralizes it. Put a wee step in that there, like a wee chamfer in that there, so when you press it, presses the shape in. Pretty effective, to be honest with you. Let's go to the car, see what this looks like. There you go, see? Pretty cool. And then one this side too. It's gonna sit in there somehow and be awesome. A lot of cleaning up to do still. Okay guys, thanks for watching this little short one. Don't know if it even interests anybody, but I just thought I'd show you how I do it. I definitely, if you do a lot of hole cutting, those Vevor things are for the price. I think it was like 60 quid or something, or maybe even less, can't remember. But yeah, okay, thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, give me comments, see what you think, and I'll see you again in the next one.